Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to make a new Google site. First, you go to google.com and in the search bar type Google Sites and click on the first link that shows up. So Google Sites actually has two different sites right now, so you can either create a new site or you can create an older site. If you have a regular Google Sites, you'll probably have this create bar right here, so you click on that and you can pick. So right now I'm going to pick in new slides, which will take you to the new Google Sites and it'll open a new website, or you can just go to the new Google site and yeah, right here. So skip this one. In the Google Sites now you have an untitled, let's name it demonstration site, and let's name it top 10 books to read, because I love books. Now, Google Sites is kind of hard to use if you're using it the first time, and the new one is harder to use if you have always used the older one, but it's actually really easy. So, first, this is my first page. You can add text box, as many as you want. So here, you can pick the color of the text box. So here, you can upload an image or you can select one. I'm not going to upload one because I don't feel like this is too much work. I will just select one of these. I'll just pick this one because I like purple. And you can also change the color of the header. I'm just going to select another image again. That looks cute, and so I'm just going to like type in things. You can actually change the text. You can do a subheading, heading, title, or just normal text. I'm going to do title because I like everything to be nice and big. So, number 1, Harry Potter series. Wow, I can't type today. Harry Potter series. And you can add like a little more. You can add like, okay, wait. Harry Potter. And you just like, Harry Potter, blah, 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 blah. Copy that and just paste a little blurb, and that will be like your heading or subheading, either one. And then the second one, you can have a different color for your box. Let's see, I like solid colors for my boxes, so I'll do the blue because it looks cute. Actually, I like the pink color. Sky blue. Title again, and number 2, let's do the Twilight series. Trilogy series. Twilight. Just like copy and paste another blurb. And yeah, I'll just like do this for now. So, and you can do subheading again. You can just keep continuing. You can just add boxes and continue. And then to make new pages, there's an option here called pages where you can filter pages and all. So I'm gonna add a new one, and I'll call it about, because every website has an about, obviously. No, I'm not gonna do that because that's too complex for me. So on the about page, I'm gonna insert. Oh, let's insert a picture. I'll search books. You can add. No. You can add like an artsy picture of books, and then add another text box and write. As I said, I like things nice and big, so I created this website to help people looking for new books to read. These are my top 10. And then, Okay, that is not my name, but I'm just gonna name myself Katrina because I like that name. Katrina. Yeah, there we go. So there we go. We have another page over here. So you go home, about. You can also change the image here because why be limited, you know? Oh, I like the galaxy. It looks cute. But I don't know if it changes. See, there's two different ones. So that's that. You can have a different theme. So if you want everything to look the same, you can pick a theme. The color won't change, but the theme will be there. You can also pick the color of the theme. So if I go on about, if you don't have a picture, there we go. We can like change the color, change the font style. Looks cute, I think. Looks cute. And I'm just gonna delete these because they look out of place. And then you can always, you can embed stuff, you can link stuff, and there's also like Google Sheets and all the Googles because it's a Google website. And then all changes are actually saved, so you don't have to save the website. There is no option to save because as soon as you exit the tab, close out the tab, like it'll save for you. And you can undo, but I'm not gonna do it because I don't feel like. You can also share with others, and you both can edit at the same time, and you can notify people. And there's many. You can either who has access, like anyone can find and view, and for draft, only specific people can edit. You can change that on anyone with link or anything like that. So I'll save that, but anyone can put a link and edit, but I'm not gonna give anyone the link. So that's good. You can also preview your website just in case you want to see what it looks like. You can preview it on in a computer style, in a tablet style, and in a phone style. I love the phone style. I think it's cute. Let's go back to computer. You also have a search bar over here, so I don't know why that isn't working. The search is unavailable in preview mode. Okay, that explains. Let's get out of the preview mode. And then there's also more where you can have site analytics, you can duplicate it, add favicon, send feedback, help, and take a tour, just in case you don't know. And this video is not helpful at all. And then there's the publishing part. You can just click publish, web address. You can just do top 10. This is a great address, but okay, top 10 books. Let's see. Oh, top 10 books 2008, because that's when my brother was born. Anyone can. Nope, no, I'll just see. Only specific people can edit, save, and anyone can find and view the website. And request public, and nope, we don't want that unless you do. And it is very easy to publish this website. And once it is published, you can just view it. And now the search bar actually works. So you can look up Twilight. Actually, I've never used the search bar before, so I don't know. So, and you go on it and you see it because it's right there. You can also look up about, and it will take you to about. And it tells you last modified, and our website looks cute. It also gives you an option to report of use or create a new site, which is cute. It's cute. So current site or current page, you can report it if you think it's inappropriate. If anyone else thinks it's inappropriate, because you don't want inappropriate stuff at all. So this is our website. It is very easy. Okay, I have other websites that I can show you that I've already created. Like Tasty Studios is one of my one of my websites, and I love this. You can also select your audience, which is like people you share your website with, and I'll show you the published site. It has already been published, so you can check it out. It is called Food Recipes, and it's all vegetarian. So we got some table of contents, and then you can also add images. I didn't show you that. Actually, I did show you that. Never mind. So we got all these websites and sources. So if you ever need help, you can just email me. Let me put my email somewhere. I'll put my email right here. Email me at louise.k myself.com. Oh, no, that's not me. But this is my email. If you ever want to email me, feel free to. And I can help you with making Google sites. And yeah, that is how you make. You can always, once you're published and you still want to make changes, you can always do that. You can add dividers. It's pretty cool. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. And I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Bye.